If you've ever spent a significant amount of time hiking in Australia, there's one thing that's on the back of your mind. What if I get bitten by a snake? Most people panic, run, or try to suck the venom out like they see in the movies. But here's the truth. Snake venom doesn't move through your bloodstream like most people think. It moves through your lymphatic system, and that completely changes what you should do next. When a venomous snake bites, the venom enters just under your skin and enters into your lymphatic system. The lymph system moves fluid through muscle contractions, not your heartbeat. That means the more you move, the more the venom flows through your body. So the first and most important step after any snake bite is this: stop moving immediately. But only if the snake has moved on and you're out of danger. If the snake is still close or acting defensively, back away slowly first. Your safety comes before anything else. Once you're safe, sit or lie down and stay as still as possible. Now, before I tell you exactly what you need to do, let me cover off on 4 things you should absolutely not do. 1. Do not cut the bite. It damages tissue and it will not remove the venom. 2. Do not try to suck it out. You cannot suck the venom out, it's not like the movies. It doesn't work and it can cause an infection. 3. Do not try to wash the bite. After being bitten by a snake, there is often some venom residue around the bite site that doctors and paramedics can use to figure out what type of snake has bitten you and therefore get you the correct anti-venom, which is going to help you survive. And number 4, don't try to chase or kill the snake. Just focus on staying still and getting help. Let's keep going. Okay, so here is exactly what you should do according to the Australian First Aid Guidelines. Step 1, and I know I'm harping on about it, stay still and calm. Panic increases your heart rate and it also increases your breaths per minute, which is extra internal movement which could push around that venom through your lymphatic system. Step 2, call emergency services. In Australia, that's 000. If you're in a remote area, I really suggest getting a personal locator beacon or a PLB. If you're any sort of hiker at all, you should be carrying one of those with you at all times. You can even hire them for cheap. Step 3, use a pressure immobilisation bandage. Start wrapping firmly over the bite site, then continue all the way up the limb. The goal is to slow down lymph movement, not cut off circulation. Once that's done, splint the limb to keep it completely still. If the bite's on the torso, head, or neck, just apply pressure without restricting your breathing. Step 4, wait for help. Stay as still as possible until help arrives. Don't remove the bandage. Medical staff will take care of that for you. Snake bites are rare, but prevention is always better than a cure. When hiking in snake country, always wear gaiters or long pants to protect the lower legs. Most bites happen below your knee. Stick to clear tracks where you can see where you're placing your feet, and be careful when scrambling over rocks using your hands. And before every hike, check your first aid kit. Make sure you've got at least one pressure bandage and you know how to use it. The good news is, if you follow these steps and stay calm, survival rates are extremely high. Hike prepared and hike with purpose.